Okay, good morning you guys. We are vlogging on the iPhone because I unfortunately don't know where the vlog camera is. We'll go looking for it sooner or later, I'm sure. But today, as you can tell from the title of the video, is a massive editing day for me. Sirens are going off. I don't have any makeup on. I don't have my hair done. I'm probably going to be doing that before I go to work, but yeah, today, majority of the day is going to be a massive editing day. We need to get caught up on Vlogmas. This is ridiculous. We are on day 22. Vlogmas day 22. Wow, we have 3 days left of Vlogmas. This is insane, and I'm so proud of myself. Despite the editing, I filmed every single day except for Vlogmas day 5. So we skipped 1 day, which is fine. So yeah, let's just get on to eating breakfast and looking for the vlog camera. Okay, you guys, so we are on the vlog camera. I've officially found it. No more iPhone footage, I promise. Like, this has been just the worst. I didn't charge the GoPro yesterday when we went sledding, and I couldn't find the vlog camera this morning. What is happening to me? It's just like, ugh. But I'm going to be doing a massive editing today, and apparently when I come home from work, we're going to be making pizzelles. For those of you who don't know, pizzelles are an Italian cookie, and I always make them around this time of year, and it's surprising I haven't yet. And another surprise is, let me just move this box. We still haven't made these. Why the heck haven't we made these yet? We need to make these possibly tomorrow. Yeah, no, oh my gosh, okay, no. Tomorrow, we're gonna go shopping for the Secret Santa. I got Tommy. It was just confirmed. I didn't know if I got Tony or Tommy for my family. But yeah, I got Tommy, and we have to go and get his present still. I think I'm gonna get him really nice wine, maybe something for travel. It'll be really nice because they like going traveling. It'll be really nice for them, and I will see you guys in a little bit. I actually have to return my scanner to work. I accidentally brought it home with me. I was so tired last night, and it just hit me when I walked through the door of my house. So yeah, that is what we're going to do to start off the vlog. Okay, so we have actually just pulled up to the parking lot at work, and I'm about to head in, but I just wanted to show you guys the new kind of update on the tripod situation in here. I actually got it to get set up. This is so exciting. I would have showed you at the house, but then you would have seen my house. And yeah, I don't want to show the outside of my house. But yeah, I actually heated it up right here using the heater in the car, and that's what apparently you're supposed to do to get the lines removed on the suction cup in order for it to stick for months and months and months without even having to worry about it. And yeah, from now on, when we're doing car vlogs, the camera will be sitting right here. Hey guys, so the deed is done. I'm walking out of the hospital right now. It's clearly behind me. I don't know why, I feel like whenever I have my hair not done or anything, I look like a troll doll. And not the cute troll dolls from the movie. I will see you guys when I get back home. So I just finished editing Vlogmas days 13, 14, and 15. I'm hoping to get to 16 today and finish editing Vlogmas day 16. We'll see what happens. It is, here, let me show you. All of it is currently condensing. You can like see my face in the mask. But it is 11:41 right now. I feel like today has been a pretty productive day, especially since I'm currently in the middle of doing my laundry, and I need to go do the dishes right away, and I need to do my hair and makeup for work because I have to go to work at 3:30. So I think I have plenty of time. If it will, it doesn't seem to want to focus. Okay, that's just great. But yeah, let's just keep on keeping on. Okay, so I've clearly not done anything to my looks, but I've actually run into a hiccup on the editing. So when I'm editing Vlogmas days 14 and 15, there's actually not going to be as high quality of a video, so there's not going to be background music, there's not going to be an intro or an outro, or you know, like the subscribe button or any of my social media links. It's all just going to be a rough cut of everything. Nothing fancy, nothing special, but yeah, this is just gonna be what it has to be for now. Okay, so because my disc was full on the iMovie, I was forced to delete Vlogmas days 14 and 15. It was combined together in one video, but not really much happened that day, honestly. It was going to be entitled When Plans Change, because I had originally expected to go on the 14th to Electric Critters with my cousin, but those plans quickly changed. I ended up going to a Christmas party at my friend's house, and that was basically it. So yeah, I'm just gonna be editing Vlogmas Day 16 and hopefully 17 by the end of today, and trying to get all caught up. I'm sorry you're not going to be able to get to see Vlogmas Days 14 and 15 in a video, but you know, things happen. So I'm taking a break from editing just because it's frustrating that what just happened, and it's a little bit draining, honestly. I love editing. I think it's amazing. I love reflecting back on things, but yeah, I need to take a little bit of a break. So I found this video on YouTube, and it says, what kind of and it says, what kind of girl are you? And it says girly girl or tomboy, and it's a personality test. And honestly, I feel like I walk a fine line down the middle. I don't really know, that's just how I feel. So let's just see what this personality test has to say. Okay, so far it's asked what kind of flower do you prefer, and it showed a tulip, a daisy, and a rose. I picked the rose, so I have 2 points so far. I don't know what that means. A superheroine. Oh, the She-Hulk, definitely. Definitely She-Hulk. She's awesome. So the options are Wonder Woman, She-Hulk, and Black Widow. I'm picking the She-Hulk. So I have 3 points so far total, because that was worth 1 point. Nails that I like. Okay, so I like having a French manicure, but because of work I can never do that. So I'm picking C. So let's see. I have 2 points. 2 more points. So I have 5 points total so far. We'll see. Which bedroom do I prefer? I prefer A. I just think that it's more me. And there's like blues, and it looks modern but rustic at the same time. So I have 1 more point. So I have 6 points total. Okay, so far I have 10 points. It's 12 points so far. It says like, what do you pick when you want something sweet? And they had like the choice of donuts, macaroons, or like some kind of cookie. If they had Oreos on there, that'd be awesome. When you have to go somewhere special, you choose, I don't know. I want to say ballet flats, because that's like a healthy medium. So far I have 14 points. I'm pretty sure. Honestly, for this one, it asks like what you would prefer to drink, and the answer is none of those options, but if I had to pick something, it would probably be A. Okay, so it's asking if we have our score. I do. I racked up a total of 16 points, so let's see what the results are. That's crazy. From 10 to 14, you a tomboy. Okay, so I just barely missed it. Oh, okay, I kind of like this answer. I got a 16, as you all know. So it says if your points vary from 15 to 18, it says you're a strong fighter. It seems you're impulsive and persistent to your principles. It's likely you speak before you think. You're very honest and intelligent. Your simple and practical style reflects this. I feel like that's really accurate. Let's see like the other options, basically, just to be on that level of confidence. Oh, okay, 19 to 20 points was a conservative girl. 23 to 26 was a confident lady. And then the girly girl was more than 26 points. So yeah, I was nowhere near that spectrum. So I'm happy with my results. Okay, so this was a really nice pastime. I will have this tomboy or girly girl personality test linked in the description down below, so you could take it for yourself. And just let me know in the comments what your results were. I think I'm gonna get back to editing in a little bit. I think I'm gonna do my hair first, just to get my appearance back into check. Okay guys, so we are making strides. I like curled this half of my hair. I still need this half to go, so I don't look completely like a troll doll for work. But it is currently, what time is it? It is almost 2:25. It's 2:24 right now. I have to be at work at 3:30, so wish me luck in finishing my hair. Wish me luck in finishing my hair and putting on my makeup, and yeah. Okay, so I just got done curling my hair. I'm gonna let the curls set in, and then I'm going to be brushing it out just a little bit, just so it won't be as, you know, in your face about it. But it is currently 2:43, so I have about maybe like a little more than a half hour to do my makeup, so wish me luck. I will see you guys when it's all done. Okay guys, so my makeup is done. I have on my clothes for work, and I will see you guys once I come home. See ya. Hey guys, so we are back at home. I got all the ingredients for our thing. Why not? I got all the ingredients for our thing. So I'm right now mixing the flour and the sugar together to make the pizzelles.
It needs 2 teaspoons of baking powder.
Tips. Okay, so this is what it looks like after you've just mixed everything. Are you gonna focus? Nope.
What's not in here?
Okay, so I'm just gonna fold these in and add more. Almost, look.
Let me see. No, you better not put all. You want me to spray it? Here. Okay, watch out.
Ooh, watch out.
Okay.
Thanks, Mom.
Come on.